What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Afterglow by Ed Sheeran. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll karate chop your wife in half. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's got two parts. It's just verse and chorus. They both play twice, I want to say. I'm going to show you how to play both of them. It's only got a few different chords that you need, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord we need is going to be a G major. It's going to be 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. Your middle finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the low E, your index finger is on the 2nd fret of the A, ring fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pinky fingers on the 3rd fret of the high E. Then from there you're going to go to a C add 9, which take your middle and your index finger and just move those down one string to where you're on 3 on A and 2 on D. Then we're going to go to an E minor 7, which is you're going to keep your pinky and your ring just where they are, put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D. Then we're going to go to this version of a D chord. You're just going to move your index down one string and your middle finger up one string to where your index is on the 2nd fret of the low E, and your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the G string. And then finally we have a D major, which is your index finger is on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger is on the 3rd fret of the B, and your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the high E. So starting with your verses, your chord progression is going to be G, C add 9, this version of your D, E minor 7, back to C add 9, and it looks like. And now that strumming pattern is just down, 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 up. It plays through all the chords. On your G and on your C add 9, it plays twice. On this D and E minor, it's once. And then on the final C add 9, it's twice. So it looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So one more time. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So all together again, it looks like. Next up you have your chorus. This one's very simple. The chord progression is just C add 9, G, and then this version of your D. And it's the same exact strumming pattern, except you're doing twice on C add 9, 1 on G, 1 on D. So it looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 down. And that's the entire chorus. have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.